Hey, I'm Ellison with American Tactical live from the floor of SHOT Show. A lot of you recognize this. Last year we introduced our MP40 9mm pistol, and a lot of you wanted to know where the stock was. So we do have that this year. We've got our MP40 SBR kit available. So we'll go through and real quick, we'll talk about this here is how once you go through and you have your MP40, you want to go through, convert it to SBR. You go through, fill out your paperwork to get your SBR, your tax stamp. The only thing that you have to do to modify the pistol itself, once you do that, is to actually get in here, grind this off with your Dremel, and there's two plugs on either side here. Go through, grind one side off, that's a number 3 screw in there. Go through, pop it out, and that will open up this back plug. Once you get that done, your stock kit comes in. You go through, install that. It's got one pin right here. Once you go through and get that put together, put the pin in, you're ready to go. Now I've got one over here that's already put together, so we'll transition over to it real quick. And then there's your stock kit. Now, since we import the pistol, we had to go through and meet 922 compliance in order to SBR this. So what that means is ATF gave us 4 parts that we had to manufacture. And those parts are the muzzle adapter, which is threaded to 1/2x36. We manufactured the floor plate of the magazine follower, and the stock kit. So in order to be legal and be compliant, all 4 of those parts have to be on your MP40 if you are in your SBR configuration. So, and a lot of people are asking too, what if I've got multiple magazines? If you have multiple magazines, we are going to sell the follower and the floor plate in an additional kit to make all your other magazines compliant with 922. So,
base price of the gun and price of the kit?
Base price of the gun is $649, and the base price of the SBR kit is $249. So there we go, our MP40 stock kit, convert yours to SBR. I'm Ellison with American Tactical, live from the floor SHOT Show.
We're not